Inside every cell lies endless wonder. Welcome to the fascinating world of biochemistry, where we unveil the essential biomolecules that power all life. Imagine a bustling city where proteins are the workers, carbohydrates provide energy, lipids form protective barriers, and nucleic acids write the blueprints of existence. In this journey, we'll break down complex concepts into clear, relatable insights. The story begins with proteins. Long chains of amino acids linking together to form dynamic structures. These molecular builders serve as enzymes, catalysts turning chemical reactions into life's essential processes. Next, carbohydrates step into the spotlight. They fuel our cells, forming simple sugars and complex chains that store energy for growth and vitality. Moving deeper, lipids act as both energy reservoirs and guardians. They create cell membranes that safeguard our inner workings while also signaling vital messages across biological landscapes. Finally, we explore nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, the coded messages that instruct every function and evolution within living organisms. Their delicate spirals and single strands interlace historical wisdom with modern discoveries. As our narrative unfolds, the challenges of understanding biochemistry transform into moments of clarity and awe. Visual diagrams and animations bring each concept vividly to life, ensuring that learning feels as engaging as it is enlightening. The integration of scientific discoveries with real-life analogies sparks curiosity and invites you to envision the tiny engines fueling our universe. Embrace this journey through the microscopic marvels that define life. Unravel the secrets behind biomolecules, and join us in pioneering a new era of scientific wonder. Discover, learn, transform. Join us and ignite your passion for science now.